Hey there, tech enthusiasts! I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into the world of technology news. It's an exciting time to be a part of this constantly evolving landscape, and there's no shortage of fascinating stories to cover. So buckle up. You won't want to miss out on the latest updates that could shape the future of our digital experiences. First up, let's talk about Netflix. We all know it as the streaming giant that has transformed the way we consume entertainment, right? Well, they are at it again. Recently, Netflix has announced that they're enhancing their language options on TV to attract global viewers. Isn't that fantastic? Imagine this. You're in a different country, wanting to enjoy your favorite show, but struggling with the language barrier. Now, with these enhanced language options, Netflix is making it easier for viewers worldwide to dive into their content without any limitations. They've always been about accessibility, and this move is sure to broaden their audience. What do you think about that? Do you feel more inclined to watch shows in different languages? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, moving on, let's talk about Nintendo because they are teasing something big. That's right, Nintendo is set to reveal details about the much-anticipated Switch 2. This has been one of the most talked about topics among gaming communities. The buzz around the potential pricing and launch date is electric. For those dedicated gamers out there, what features do you hope to see in the Switch 2? Enhanced graphics? More storage? Better battery life? With the success of the original Nintendo Switch, expectations are sky high. Make sure to keep your eyes peeled for the announcement, because these insights could dramatically shift the gaming landscape. Now, one more thing I want to spotlight today is SpaceX. Yes, that powerhouse of innovation. SpaceX continues to break barriers, and the latest news is nothing short of exhilarating. Did you know they're working on expanding their Starlink service to more remote areas around the globe? This means more people will have access to high-speed internet, even in places where connectivity has been a challenge for years. Picture this. Students in rural areas now being able to attend online classes with minimal lag and buffering issues. That's a game changer. So, if you're passionate about bridging the digital divide, this development could light up your day. I mean, who wouldn't want the world to be more connected? So whether you're binge-watching your favorite series on Netflix, gearing up for the releases and excitement surrounding Nintendo's Switch 2, or celebrating advancements in internet accessibility with SpaceX, there's a lot happening in tech that's worth paying attention to. These companies are not just building products, they're shaping how we live our lives. Before I wrap up, let's think about the bigger picture here. Consider how these advancements in technology are currently affecting your life or the lives of those around you. Have you tried watching a show in a different language? What are you looking forward to in the new Nintendo console? The connections we form and the accessibility we gain are monumental in our tech-driven world. All right, folks, that's a wrap on today's Tech News Roundup. Keep your excitement high and your curiosity burning. Stay tuned for more updates because in the world of technology, there's always something new on the horizon. Don't forget to engage with this journey of innovation. Who knows what the next big thing will be? Thanks for being here, and see you next time.